All right, today is getaway day for HPE Discover here in Vegas. I'm calling it a day, and we are kind of evaluating the too long didn't read of the entire show. What did I get out of it? Sponsored by NVIDIA and HPE. HPE showed its roots today. They are celebrating the 50-year anniversary of Clay of the supercompute Cray Compute division. On display was the original Cray computer from the 1970s. They have the legacy of the Superdome, Superdome X, the Synergy composable infrastructure, the machine, all of these abstractions that they've created for the enterprise. And every which one of these platforms that I mentioned has an NVIDIA option now for integrated, basically supercompute in all of these platforms from the edge all the way to their nonstop performance and reliability platforms. What does this mean for the enterprise? Well, in a crowded market, when everyone has an AI factory, I think this is HPE's and NVIDIA's combined angle for their unified approach to the market. HPE's history around ILO, ProLiant, enterprise applications. They showed off their replacement for the Superdome X, which can go up to 48 terabytes of storage for SAP HANA. This is what enterprise buys when they're buying HPE NVIDIA AI factory, not just a reference architecture for how do you implement GPUs at scale, but a reference architecture for how you manage your enterprise IT landscape in a trusted way from all the way from the edge to the data center to cloud. We're not even getting into GreenLake and all of their innovation around VM Essentials and their competition with VMware and taking those customers. We're getting into true fourth cloud territory when we're thinking about managing our entire accelerated compute, not to mention supercomputing. That's the too long didn't read. Visit the CTOadvisor.com for more coverage around around HPE Discover, more coverage around NVIDIA AI Factory, my personal opinions about this whole AI Factory term, how you should be thinking about it, and how you should be integrating these technologies into your existing IT landscapes.